I am a Jsaroj, hashtag Mr. Cool. So guys, today we are study about some interesting knowledge about the cell. Cell, you know about the cell. Cell is a structural functional unit of life. So unit of life means the part of the body which is the smallest part of the body and which having a proper structure function, and that's called cell. So in definition, the a cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of life. So if there in our body something is there, that is cell which having a proper structure, and fundamental means any functions or some, and functional unit of life, they do a functions of a living organism. These are a cell. Now we goes to history of cell, how the who discovered the cell and how is discovered the cell, that is all. So this cell is the discovered by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke, scientist who discovered the cell by the using of cork cell discovered by him. You see the cork and there is a structure like a cork, and that then the cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. After that, Anton von Leeuwenhoek first observed in a microscope, described a live cell. He described the a live cell. Now there is a now after that cell is described, and when we see how the cell is described, we use a microscope. That there are the types of microscope is compound microscope and the electron microscope, and which gives the details is ultra structure of the cell. Now in that cell theory, after that the cell theory, we know about the cell theory. M.J. Scladen and Theodore Sekwan formulated the cell theory. In this cell theory, Malthus Scladen was observed. The scientist Malthus Scladen was observed that plants are composed of cells. Plants are composed of cells. But Theodore Sekwan reported that cell had a thin outer layer. That is called plasma membrane, and he also found that plant cell have a cell wall. Plant cell have a cell wall, and he proposed a hypothesis that animals and plants are composed of cell and product of cell. But Malthus Scladen only observed the plant having a cells composed of cell. When now after that, Rudolf Virchow, which gives the new modern theory of the cell theory, and he explained that cell divided and new cells are formed from pre-existing of life. Example, omnis cellulae cellula. He modified the cell theory, and the cell statement of cell theory is all living organisms are composed of cell and product of cell. All living organisms are composed of cell and cell product of cell, and all cells arises from pre-existing of life. These statements are given by the Rudolf Virchow. And in overview, all of a cells, there are in a cell having a lots of components inside. The components composed of, and it's all cell contains cytoplasm, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, etc. So in a cytoplasm, what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a semi-fluid matrix where cellular activities and chemical reaction occur. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a semi-liquid matrix. What? Semi-liquid matrix means jelly type, just like a semi-liquid, semi-fluid means just a jelly type, and cellular activities and chemical reaction occurs in a cell cytoplasm. There are the cellular reaction are occurs, and this keeps the cell in living state, and the cytoplasm keeps the by the help of cytoplasm we know that the cells are living. Ribosomes. Now after, what is ribosome? Non-membrane bound organelles found in cytoplasm, chloroplast, mitochondria, and on a rough ER means endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosome is a non-membrane bound organelles found in a cytoplasm. It is present in a cytoplasm, chloroplast, mitochondria, and on a rough endoplasmic reticulum. And this is the structure of ribosome and cytoplasm, how found in the cell. Now small, there are small cell, larger cell present in the body. So smallest cell is the mycoplasm, which size is 0.3 micrometer in length, 0.3 micrometer in length, and largest isolated single cell is the egg of ostrich. Egg of ostrich have a largest cell. And longest cell example, nerve cells. Nerve cells are a longest cell in our body, which is spread throughout all the body. Size of bacteria 3 to 5 micrometer, and human RBC size 7.0 micrometer in diameter. And this is a structure of typical eukaryotic cell. This is a structure of eukaryotic cell. And bacteria, structure of bacteria which having a size 1 to 2 micrometer, and this is papillo about 0.1 micrometer. And viruses, the size of the viruses cell is 0.02 to 0.02 micrometer. This is the size of viruses. And in this way, the size of the viruses, they are so small in a size. And based on this, the cell having a proper function, due to their, based on the function, shape of the cell may be cells like a disc like polygonal, columnar, cuboid, thread like, or irregular. On their function, based on their function, cells are classified in different shapes. First, disc like shape, polygonal shape, columnar shape, cuboid, and thread like or irregular in shape. And there are two types of cells: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are which having a well organized nucleus, and eukaryotic cells are prokaryotic, sorry, by mistake. So prokaryotic cells are not having a well organized nucleus, and eukaryotic cells having a well organized nucleus.